What's up, my people? Big up on yourself. You don't know, so they attacking the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So what go on you know, people? What really go on you know? What them a tell NEWLINK say now? NEWLINK one more soldier again catch man in a house. M0RE to the world. Yo, big man, no joke thing you know. Time for you to leave the soldiers them alone. Cause news are reach NEWLINK now, people. Remember you know, just a couple days ago now, with the soldier and the police. Then on Saturday, people in a Spanish town, in our community in a Spanish town, people, a soldier catch another one. Oh my world. This time, they was not reach NEWLINK saying they catch him and do nothing but me. He say, he catch the man in him house, people, where him wife there, everything. And him did that argument with the man till the man, him pull the back door, you understand? And tell the man, say, you got through the back door before he get hungry and thing. Me say, the soldier beat a car and the man run same way and jump fence same way and go on in business. But luckily, nothing not catching people. But me here say, the police them take him gun for the ballistic test panny and something, you know, charge or nothing. You understand? Because Speng shell wheel out and license firearm. Because the soldier bust him license piece as well. Because when the woman then understand, right now, every soldier, they look out, so I go watch them the yard right now. So if you don't know, say, we have to go lock off the bottom man them for even 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 months you know. Because soldier go roll up on unexpected. One of the things that then they on duty, them are going to say, yo, they're sick and them have to come home or emergency just to go and catch Bona man. You understand? So all of you who are planned so now go let out the Bona man them for the new year and soldier gone out there. Enough is enough, it don't know. You understand? Bona man have to go hold them corners you know. Eh? You don't be a face and bright team man. You don't go on man their house. Honestly no people, you're lucky all this one lucky soldier lick him down you know. Eh? Me say run like a thief and jump the fence. Yo, me not tell a lie man. I see you sit the man. Me understanding of people say, yo, more or less soldier then take long to come home and sit in the people. But in the end, the woman they know the situation when them get married to the soldier them. But sometimes they don't love the soldier them. Sometimes they marry the soldier them because it's full of benefits and they married, you know. And every man we see couple up with soldier, you know, really say they're into it, you know, people. Me I tell you the truth. Not every into it. Some of them not into it. Me no business who want rate me or who not rate me. I choke me attack. And every woman who you see take the ring. And sometimes the soldier they not married to for love. You understand? Because me not like soldier people. No soldier out there then give on. So till no joke thing people. But then get him on too. You understand? So in the end people, no for you man them now, you don't understand the situation. If you don't know say man serious so you know, or in a serious thing, you don't know say yo. It come like just like a ship, you know. You see all man work on a ship, a man who go on a farm work on a woman a yard. Woo-hoo. Or I swear upon the end and say, woo-hoo. Hey, me not discipline no woman because some woman hold it out. Me not like every woman I see him. You have some woman who hold it for y'all here. Big up on yourself. But you have some woman they woo-hoo, NEWLINK, attack. And every woman that go hold it. And every woman that go hold it. Yo. So you see this a thing I want to know, say yo. Alright, if me come some woman, me travel people. And me come some me go up on farm work or anything and go on a friend. And me and my wife I had and me woman I had. And one thing me I go prepare for you know. Me know say Bona fi come. So me just go have it now me head say Bona fi come. So when the day come and me find out I'm here, me just prepare myself for it and you know what I mean? Me not swear for it, you mad? Then they say me they are find him I go things to see him too. You can't not trust nobody man, you can't trust people nowadays. Eh? Mankind get so weak nowadays. Me know say you are good people out there hold it. You understand? But not everybody can hold it. So you have to prepare yourself for certain thing. You know what I mean? You have to prepare yourself, man. You have to just prepare yourself. A life, you know, man. When I say the man then to be a face and you man is one then to disrespectful to man. As I say, look what place down you can't go do it. Going to look a little cheap, guess who's roasted the man. Cause Spanish Town have up over Kingston, Portmore, same place there, you know. I've all look cheap guest house there, you know, $2,000 a night, 1,500 a night, you know. You understand? You can't find a look 1 hour spot enough for $1,000, you know. You don't go rent him, man, they're so cheap too. You go be a face and gone in a man house, eh? And here the people, the man them we are jump and a run fence, you know. That means say nah one car, cause so the whole lamp on the car key or something. So the man them know maybe I want to look all boy around there saying people. When I look get up boy there from around the side of the place they know me nah this to get to you, big up every get to you, but me don't go say, you understand? Maybe I one of them just comes so boom, they want to screech you up and now M0RE comes so they look so good. NEWLINK. Boy, they tell your people, but yo, nobody tell you me attack, so me take it serious. You understand? But that's how me deal with my thing, man. Me have to entertain the people them too. You know what I mean? Me can't just come and make a thing boring, you know. But a real thing, a reality we attack. You understand? Woman, you need to stop it, man. Stop do this watch them so bad, man. You know what I mean? So them are gonna take it to heart, you know. Cause see brother put up a video now where police must say yo soldier them vex with police or something, but they say yeah soldier are good, man, and every soldier in the same situation. Because I any of people and everybody I get caught, you know. Because me I tell you this. You have police, you know, when soldier beat up the woman something the same way. It's on both sides. So I just students not get caught yet. Remember me tell yo, you have to just prepare for them something there. Me prepare by myself. When they come, what me I go do? They kill myself. No, so I'm not kill nobody. Me prepare myself. Anything. What me say? Me prepare myself. You understand? Yes, you have your trust and everything, but what? You have to still prepare. You know what I mean? You have to prepare yourself. Because in everything you have a negative and you have a positive. So you always prepare. You work one day, guess when me work people, me always prepare so anything can happen. One day you will lose your job. See, we are just a life setup. You understand? The things not going to go straight every day. Just like come here drive the car and drive perk every day. One day, I mean, we talk about done for me. You know what I mean? Of course. What? No man make it. I got alone. Plus about the sell the people, you don't know a thing, man. They give thanks to life as usual. You don't love how me happy, not true. Me not stress out myself, people. Me I hold it. Me I hold it till done in a next month. You understand? Me I hold it. And me I go and do me look at thing, people. Still a job couple videos same way. Me know say news not coming like what used to come, but you don't know the situation. If anybody not understand the situation, you don't know. Watch the video, them and see the situation. You get me? I say, I remember me telling the people, anybody who want to contribute to the thing, man, we have a PayPal link. You can link up on the PayPal thing there, you understand? And make a contribution and thing. You get me? I say, don't know I support it. Anybody want support, force, or, you know what I mean? But anybody want support, because some people say NEWLINK, we can support the thing, and you know what I mean? We have a PayPal, just check below the video in the description, the PayPal link, did it? Only just click on it and this one you can do anything. You understand? If you don't want to link me personally and give me something to, I don't know. I appreciate it. I don't respond to the body. You can't come and say NEWLINK are big. I don't check for Uno. Me respect my fans, man. Them respect me. You understand? So that's the thing of people. But they are giving thanks to life as usual, man. You drive me, I drive. See, don't know I see what the road. See what the road there. Yeah. The road that there. I look at casino over there. So I got them place there, you know, people. Brother play one local box, local box, now I look at bar and go casino. You understand? I'm afraid of gambling, man, because yo, me not like losing up people, me love win. I'm afraid of yo, me not like losing. So me not go run the risk with the casino thing. Me rather play a local box and put $1-2 in there. If me lose, I'm winning, so I just say go. Don't know. They are people. So big up on yourself, man, enough love, enough respect. Soldier, big up on yourself. Police, big up on yourself. Bonner man, attack phone, straight up.